Operation Sindoor marked a pivotal moment in India's maritime history. It was India's strong naval answer to escalating threats. The trigger was the horrific Pahalgam terror attack, which shook the nation to its core. This attack in April 2025 tragically claimed 26 innocent lives, leaving a deep scar. A firm, unmistakable message was needed to deter future threats. The Indian Navy was tasked to deliver it with precision and strength. This operation was more than just a response, it was a strategic maneuver. It was a statement of intent and capability, showcasing India's advanced naval prowess. The significance of Operation Sindoor cannot be overstated, as it marked a new era. It showcased India's growing strategic naval maturation and readiness. The operation was designed to project India's power and resolve. It demonstrated a new resolve in tackling threats head-on. The world watched as India flexed its maritime muscle, sending a clear message. This was a clear display of naval strength and strategic intent. The operation aimed to reshape regional dynamics and assert dominance. India was ready to act decisively for its security and interests. The primary objective was clear and multifaceted, encompassing defense and deterrence. Operation Sindoor began, signaling a new chapter in India's naval history. The speed of the Indian Navy's response was remarkable. Within mere hours of the Pahalgam attack, action commenced. INS Vikrant, a formidable asset, was deployed. It sailed swiftly to the northern Arabian Sea. This rapid mobilization was a key element. It showed India's capacity for quick reaction. The Navy's efficiency was on full display. No time was wasted in this critical situation. INS Vikrant was not alone in this mission. It was deployed with its full combat readiness. A powerful Indian Navy task force was quickly assembled. This formidable force was led by INS Vikrant itself. The task force included destroyers and frigates. Supporting vessels played their crucial roles. The synergy of the fleet was evident. They moved as one cohesive, powerful unit. The blockade effectively confined Pakistan Navy units. Their vessels were largely restricted to their harbors. A significant aspect was the dual carrier operations. India deployed both INS Vikrant and INS Vikramaditya. These two aircraft carriers operated simultaneously. This was a major display of naval capability. It highlighted India's growing maritime strength. Few nations possess such a powerful capacity. The coordinated effort was a strategic triumph. It sent a strong signal across the region. The presence of two carrier battle groups created a potent maritime deterrent. This was a powerful statement of India's capabilities. It showcased the ability to project sustained power. The deterrent effect was substantial and immediate. Potential adversaries had to take serious note. India's naval reach had expanded significantly. The message was one of strength and resolve. This dual deployment was a game-changer. INS Vikrant, India's first indigenous aircraft carrier, played a lead role. INS Vikramaditya, the modified Kiev-class carrier, also contributed significantly. Operation Sindoor clearly demonstrated India's ability. It showed capacity for sustained, simultaneous carrier operations. The Indian Navy established uncontested control over vast sea areas. This maritime dominance was a key outcome. The carrier battle groups, CBGs, were instrumental. They patrolled with confidence and authority. The adversary's naval movements were severely restricted. India's command of the seas was evident. The CBGs provided a powerful air defense shield. This protective umbrella extended over a wide radius. It ensured the safety of the naval assets. It also denied airspace to opposing forces. Naval pilots conducted round-the-clock sorties. These flights maintained constant vigilance. They created an almost impenetrable defensive matrix. This aerial superiority was vital for the operation. The operation showcased India's prowess in non-contact warfare. This modern approach relies on advanced technology. Section 5. The Fury Factor, Assessing Opposing Naval Capabilities. The term Fury is not officially designated. It likely refers to the opposing naval force. In the context of Operation Sindoor, this was the Pakistan Navy. The operation starkly exposed the Pakistan Navy's limitations. India's naval capabilities proved superior. The disparity became evident very quickly. Pakistan's maritime vulnerabilities were laid bare. This was a significant strategic revelation. India demonstrated a clear asymmetric advantage. The Pakistan Navy is considerably smaller in size. Its primary focus is largely on coastal defense. The Pakistan Navy pursues a sea denial strategy. This aims to prevent an adversary from using the sea. However, it lacks power projection capabilities. It cannot match India's offensive reach. This imbalance was a defining feature. The Pakistan Navy lacks several key assets. It is deficient in comprehensive maritime domain awareness. Section 6. Strategic Assets Unleashed, Technology at the Forefront. In this section we delve into the advanced technological assets that have revolutionized naval warfare. BrahMos-equipped warships were a key part of the task force, providing a formidable offensive capability. The BrahMos is a potent supersonic cruise missile renowned for its speed and precision. It is known for its high precision and incredible speed, making it a game-changer in modern naval warfare. These missiles can strike targets with devastating accuracy, ensuring mission success. They represent a significant technological advantage, pushing the boundaries of naval capabilities. Their presence added a sharp edge to India's naval power, enhancing its strategic reach. Few defenses can effectively counter the BrahMos, making it a highly reliable weapon. This capability was a major deterrent, showcasing India's advanced military technology. The Indian Navy showcased its long-range strike capabilities, demonstrating its prowess. The task force had the firepower to hit diverse targets, from enemy ships to strategic installations. This included enemy ships at sea, ensuring dominance in naval engagements. It also included crucial harbor installations, crippling the enemy's logistical capabilities. And even shore-based facilities were within reach, extending the Navy's operational impact. Missiles used had ranges up to 300 to 450 kilometers, covering vast distances. This reach allowed strikes deep into adversary territory, disrupting their operations. It provided a credible threat from the sea, reinforcing India's strategic deterrence. Submarine deployment played a crucial silent role, adding an element of surprise. Indian Navy submarines were strategically positioned, ready to strike with precision. Section 7. Broader Horizons, India's Naval Ambitions and Regional Strategy. Operation Sindoor aligns perfectly with India's broader goals of enhancing its maritime capabilities and asserting its presence in the Indian Ocean. India aims to be the net security provider in the region, ensuring stability and peace. This role is envisioned for the Indian Ocean region, a critical area for global trade and security. The operation demonstrated India's commitment to this vision, showcasing its naval strength and strategic planning. It showed the capacity to maintain regional stability and respond to potential threats, and to protect its maritime interests proactively, ensuring the safety of commercial shipping lanes. This responsibility is taken very seriously, with continuous training and strategic exercises. The Navy is a key instrument in this endeavor, playing a crucial role in India's defense strategy. India's carrier battle groups offer flexible options for power projection and rapid response. They provide policymakers with versatile tools to address various maritime challenges. Carrier battle groups can establish a strong deterrent posture, signaling strength and readiness. Yet they can also operate with restraint if needed, adapting to the situation. This echoes Admiral Sergei Gorshkov's naval philosophy, which emphasized strategic flexibility. He emphasized using naval power for political aims, often achieving objectives without direct conflict. Often this can be achieved without direct armed action, through presence and diplomacy. Operation Sindoor exemplified this principle effectively, blending strength with strategic foresight. India has ambitious plans for its carrier fleet, aiming to enhance its maritime capabilities. The aim is to operate 3 carrier battle groups, ensuring a robust and versatile naval force. Section 8. Operation Sindoor's Legacy, Shaping India's Maritime Future. Vice Admiral A.N. Pramod made a strong statement. He confirmed Indian forces were forward deployed. They maintained full readiness to strike targets. These targets could be at sea or on land. This included specific mentions of Karachi. His words underscored the seriousness of the deployment. India was prepared for any escalation. The message of resolve was unmistakable. During Operation Sindoor, the Indian Navy task force was not idle. They conducted live missile firing drills. These exercises were crucial for several reasons. They ensured the operational readiness of all systems. They also tested the crew's proficiency under pressure. It sent a clear signal of preparedness. The Navy was ready to use its weapons effectively. This added to the deterrent effect of the operation.